Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to black out my Accord's tail light. So without any further delay, let's start. So things you need a soapy water. You're gonna need this scraper, not scraper, but to make it film smoother on the lights, and the film itself I have here. So I have the yellow one also for headlights, which I'm gonna install later. For now, today I'm gonna do only for the tail lights. So without any further delay, let's start. I'll see how it's gonna look. Let me show you without the blackout tail lights how it looks, and then I'll show you after that. This is how it looks. You can see. And first I'm gonna do on the tail light. That's the light that is on the trunk only, and then I'm going to do the other one on the side. I'm gonna black out the whole thing, and first let me get the cloth. So I'm gonna do this one first, and then I will do the other one. So first I'm gonna spray a little bit soapy water on it. And clean it up. This is about it. So let me show you the film itself. So I have black one here and I have yellow one here. This one I will make in another video. Probably gonna take a while. So let's start and see. I'm not expert in this, so I am beginner also. So the only thing is confusing for me is the side of the tint, which I don't know which side is the outer side and which one is for inside, but I'll figure out. So right now we need this piece right here, so I'm gonna put it here and cut it. I think it's not that much black, but it's still good. Alright guys, so here I'm installing the film, and the film itself, the quality was not that good because even with the squeegee, the film was getting a lot of scratches for some reason, and this is my first time installing these films, and the only thing is confused me is the side of the film, but this time I figured that out, and it was not that difficult, but I thought it would be more black, but it was not that black. So but anyways, since I bought it already, so I wanted to install it. I'll probably gonna keep it for a little while, and I later might change it and do the spray can stuff on the tail light. And since you can find those kind of things in the shop, that's like black out your tail light with the spray can, I think that would be better than this one, because this was not the cleanest job ever. But I tried to use it heat gun, and it did help me a lot to give it a little bit nicer look, and the film sticks with the tail lights better. So yeah, that's about it. It's not that black, but it does make a little bit difference. I kinda wanna do the whole thing, but I did not have enough film, so I ended up doing only the one side. Alright guys, so this is about it. I'm just gonna do this side and this only, because the film is a little bit left only, so it's not gonna be enough for the side, for the both side. So I'm black out this and this only. So this is a little bit damaged. I'm gonna replace this since I have more. So I'm gonna leave this as is because the black film is not enough. So what do you think, guys? I don't think it's looking so good, but for now I'm just gonna leave it. later I will see what I will do with those. So that's about it. Hope you guys enjoy and have an idea how it's gonna look if you black out your taillights. And I think it's better to, if you can do with the spray can, that would be easier and more efficient. This one is a little bit hard, and so yeah, if you don't really care about a lot of details, then it should not be that hard. It should be easier, but as you can see, that's how it is right now. So yeah, I'll probably next do the next one when I do the headlights. Until then, take care.